Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix your Windows 10. Restart your computer. Hold your computer's power button for about 5 seconds to restart. Click search, then type run. Click on run. Paste the text. The text will be given in the video description box. Click OK. Click restart now and check for problems. Clear any existed virus. Uninstall nearly installed software. Click search, then type control panel. Click the control panel. Select category. Click program and feature. Give your computer enough storage space. Then update your driver. Then repair system files. Click search. Then type cmd. Open cmd run as administrator. Select yes. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click enter. Thanks for watching.